Guys, today in this video we are going to see review about this awesome product called Storyxy, which will basically help you to do video marketing needs and goals at your fingertips. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have some free bonuses for you. So to learn more about it, stick till the end of the video, and to grab this limited time period offer plus my free bonuses, definitely check out the link in the description, guys. So now let's get started.
And the first thing you'll notice is the ability to pick from one of our 3D virtual studio sets specifically designed for Storyxy. And as you can see, there are just so many different beautiful, gorgeous sets here that you can choose from. And you start out by placing your set into your scene. And the first thing you'll do, once you see the scene, it's downloaded to your computer from the cloud, is you will add a character. And he's placed immediately into the scene, and we can also add another character, and we'll take a look at from the assortment of characters that we have, and we'll add, let's go with Alithia at this point. You just punch her in, and now both people are in the scene, and you can control exactly what all of these characters do. It's magical. And you start by adding a script, and you can record a script as you go along, or you can just type in what kind of script you would like. And first, Alithia says here in the scene, skyscraper scene with a swimming pool, "Hey, my name is Alithia," and then Nathan is there, and it's a chance meeting. And Nathan says, "Hey, my name is Nathan," and Alithia says, "Well, what's up?" And Nathan says, "Well, I want to go swimming," and Alithia says, "Well, you're going to have a swimsuit." And Nathan says, "Well, I don't have one. Can I borrow one?" Type all that in there. And once that is done, you add the animations. You can add facial expressions. You can add camera angles. So many camera angles you can add, and so many facial expressions, and so many animations, body animations you can add. And there's so many to choose from, and you can make it look however you like. It's really something. And to customize any animation or camera angle or any delay at the end of a scene or any expression, you can place them, as you can see here on the screen, wherever you want. And then just click and boom, do it. And then you have many different types of ways to render your video. Different sizes and styles and resolutions and all that. And you just render, and it just takes a little bit. And then you take a look at it and...
Hello, my name is Alithia.
Hello, my name is Nathan.
Hey, what is up?
I want to go swimming.
You're going to need a swimsuit.
Do you have one I can borrow?
You will have to go and buy one.
I have run into a bit of bad luck then.
And so easy and so quick, you'll be amazed at how quick it is.